Hi everybody, welcome back to Gems and Jewels. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I don't know what my deal is, but I've kind of fallen into the Louis Vuitton ordeal, so my next couple of projects are gonna be about Louis Vuitton designs. Yeah, I don't know. Usually I'm into Chanel or whatever, but lately I've been feeling Louis Vuitton. I really like the logo. Anyways, this is a Kleenex box and a soap dispenser. And this box was purchased from Hobby Lobby. Everything's in the description box, but on the top here, this is how it comes. This is how it looks. On the bottom, you slide the piece of wood out. So this is what the box looks like after I painted it black. And this is the soap dispenser before I added the logo. And let's see, I used jet black paint. So after I hot glued the bling wrap, then I added silver diamond confetti in random areas. And my logo was ready to go. All I did after this was hot glued it to the soap container. I repeated the same process with the second logo, and then I took 2 rows of diamond wrap and I hot glued them on each edge of my Kleenex box. Then I glued on 2 2-inch mirrors on each side of the Kleenex box. I took the bigger mirror and I centered it in the middle of the sides, and then I glued that in place. Then I moved to the top of the box. In the back of the box, I glued 5 of the 2-inch mirrors. In the middle, there's 2 on each side. The front, I glued 3 of them in the middle. So for the top bling wrap, there's 7 rows on each side of my Kleenex box. And then I took 1 row of bling wrap and I glued that across the side on the top. When I was finished with that, I cut out 2 rows of bling wrap and I glued those on each side of my mirror. So this is the finished product, and I absolutely love this Kleenex box. I think it's absolutely stunning. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this project, and thank you for spending time with me. Please, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. I'm trying to grow my channel, and it's kind of been a challenge, to be honest with you. If you could please let me know, do you like these videos? Do you like the Louis Vuitton logo? Do you want to see more of that? Any suggestions you could throw at me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time, and like I said previous, please subscribe for future DIYs. You guys have a fabulous week. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.